Check this out. I got the U.S. oil trades running right now, accumulating me a little money. I got in right here at like 76.80. It's dropping. It's dropping. I got a good trade going, holding it. It's dropping. I'm selling it. Sales. Profiting right here. I can close that. Profit, 310. Close this one right here. Profit, 112. Close this one right here. Another profit. 295, about 300. Close. You know what I'm saying? This is how much I'm making off of that. Profits. So it's Forex. It's trading. You can be using your money to make money. Just piling up. Just taking profits daily. The average job pay you what? How much a day? You can be making that off your own money, trading it, you know, on the foreign exchange market with stocks, crypto, ETFs, all kind of stuff. But this is what you need to be in. Hit my DMs. I got you. I'll show you how to get into it. Let's go.